Hello, I'm Natalie Saavedra, and today I'm going to show you about our process in the resource in Lavinova. So our group it's developing this resource. The name is Learn English Together. Okay, so I'm going to show you about Unit 1. Cultural celebration and traditions. Well, in that part, I'm going to show you about some activities that we develop in the Lavinova. Entonces, on the first time, we have images. We have some pictures about images. This is the planning, okay? The planning to the celebrations, about the images. Then we have some questions to select the answer. So we have that one, number 1, 2, and 3. And then we have this. In this part, we have some experiences about people who live in those celebrations in different parts of the world. And in the last time, we have a video as a close to the activity. And now I want to show you how is the presentation to our resources. So we have here all the units, but in this case, I'm going to show you number 1 that I organized. So we have tradition, okay, about the celebration. We have the definition, and we have those activities. First of all, we have pictures about celebration. We have to match celebration with the places. Then we share experiences, and then a video. So we have let's go, and we have the pictures that I already said about those celebrations. Then I click and continue. Then we have a match an image to organize. And then we have, okay, that celebration in China, we have to select what is the Lantern Festival. In that case, is this. I need to send here and says the said, okay, then we have the Carnival of Brazil. So in that case, what of both images? We have that one. Send. Okay, I check my answer, and we have the grade. And continues. And the last game, match. And we said, okay, what is this Festival of Light in India? In that case, is that one. Okay, we said, okay, send, and that's perfect. Continue. And then we have to read about that experience. We have about Day of the Dead. We have in Mexico, and here we have some information about that celebration. Okay, less, and then with Carnival of Brazil, and it's something like that. And we finished with Christmas. Less and more about Christmas. So I'm sharing that picture. Okay, then I said continuar, and we are going to watching a video. Okay, that's the presentations to Unit 1.